It's very, well, like I said, I'm shocked. I can't believe any of this. I didn't know they had any of that. I'm very honored. I'm glad that Jan was able to come over here and do this because I haven't ever met her. I've only talked to her on the phone, and for her to come and do this it's really great.
The award is given every year to a proctor. That's someone who gives the test to the students for their national registration and certification. And they do it monthly, which is a challenge in itself. So these students can go out and get a job and be recognized by their hiring physician. Many offices won't hire them unless they are registered or certified. And so that's what we do. And this particular school has the online testing, which is one of our newest things. We test in a medical assisting, phlebotomy, EKG, the computer systems, as well as the coding specialist, which is a really hot item right now.
It feels good. Right, and I didn't even know. I was going to ask her today when I was visiting with her how many schools they had, and to know that I'm the number one out of all 800 it's great. I'm glad. I'm glad that they like the way that I do everything, so I'm glad.